how to password protect an Elementor website. So the first thing that we want to do is log into Elementor here and find the website that we are going to set a password for. I will do this one as an example. So what we want to do is we want to hover over the preview of our website, and then we want to go to manage this website. Now it's going to take us to a page here that shows us all of our recent work, all of the changes we've made. And if we scroll down all the way, you will see this site lock. When a site lock is enabled, website visitors will be blocked by a lock screen and will be required to enter a PIN code to view the website. Now, if we want to set a password to our Elementor website, we'll just toggle this on, and it will also tell us that visitors and search engines won't be able to access our site. So we will click on lock site here. And this is the password that is going to be automatically set here. So if we click on the eye icon here, you can find the password. So if somebody wants to enter our website, they'll need to input this password. We can also copy this to the clipboard, and we can also reset a new password here. So this is going to set a new code for us. As you can see, it generated a new code. And that's basically it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.